For more than 16 years, AT Automation has specialized in automating and optimizing production processes. We analyze, develop, and implement operational processes. AT Automation strives with innovative automation solutions to make production processes more productive and effective. For more than 8 years, AT Automation realizes ignition projects all over Europe.
Hi, I'm Yuri Eniklev, Team Lead Ignition at AT Automation. I would like to tell you more about a project we did for EKK Eagle Simrax in which we made use of ignition. But before we continue, I would like to introduce you to Jeroen Smits from EKK Eagle Simrax.
EKK Eagle Simrax is founded in 1969 and, being part of the international EKK Eagle industry company, they are a market leader in high-precision production of seals for a wide scale of applications in the automotive industry. They manufacture over 30 million seals annually.
When I first started working here, one of my first tasks within EKK Eagle Simrax was to evaluate the SCADA system we were using at the time. The SCADA system had been set up by a local integrator and was made in SCADA software. We came to the conclusion that the system needed to be renewed and that we wanted to be in charge of our own SCADA system. After doing some market research on SCADA systems, I suggested ignition as a possible replacement for the SCADA system. The advantages I saw in ignition included unlimited tax, unlimited users, extensive connectivity, one-time purchase cost and normal contract constructions, and also Python scripting. All things we ran into with the previous system, and that ended up costing us a lot of money instead of delivery.
Ignition is used to create a SCADA MES solution that can be used in the browser so that anyone in the company can use the system to get their personal views. The navigation is built dynamically based on the roles. These different views are created based on the same data. This gives a more unified overview of the production process. EKK wanted to improve that process and minimize downtime for all lines. Therefore, downtime registration is now done automatically based on the PLC tags. The data can be viewed in multiple downtime and OEE pages. For example, the downtimes can be viewed in a raw dataset, but also in a pie or a bar chart. Since we created a new system, we also connected SAP and Logitime, a timekeeping program, and exchanged data between them. The SAP connection is used to retrieve the orders. The next upgrade of the Ignition project is schedule these orders and create a live dashboard of the progress of the orders, including downtime, changeover, and loss of process speed. The connection is also used to write back the waste generated in production. We also created a number of SCADA screens where operators can see live production data and view historical trend data. They can save the trend for later viewing or for sharing with other people within the company. All SCADA screens are dynamically built, but can operate without a database connection. There are also some overview screens that give the managers an idea of how production is currently doing, without having to scan multiple screens to gather relevant data.
I'm sitting here with Sam. Sam and I are working together in Ignition, and we will be talking a bit about the advantages we experience with working with Ignition.
The biggest advantage of using Ignition is that we have control of the software ourselves. Previously, we had to contact the integrator for every minor adjustment, which meant that invoices followed each other in rapid succession. Because the basics of Ignition are easy to learn and fairly simple to set up, it's easy for our engineers to do it themselves. This puts us in control and gives us the ability to customize reports or screens.
In addition, almost all the reports are automated and standardized. This saves us a lot of time compared to the old way of reporting before Ignition. Everyone made their own reports in Excel, which often went wrong and took a lot of time. The better analysis possibilities have also created more insights for improvements, so OE can go up even further in the future.
Finally, Ignition has made paper obsolete in the production environment. Shift transfer forms, targets and fault reports are no longer recorded on paper, but directly in Ignition. All involved are automatically notified by email of news errors or problems in real time without having to be present in production.
At EKK Eagle Simrax we are very excited about the arrival of Ignition and already can't live without it. We are constantly working on more automated reports, connecting more lines and expanding Ignition to get the most out of the software package.
Thanks for watching, and I also want to thank Jeroen Smits from EKK Eagle Simrax for the opportunity to do this project.